Hi, my name is Leslie and I will be covering copyright. Copyright. It is a legal right that allows all creators of all tangible materials to be protected under the law to the ownership and profitability of the materials created by themselves. If you create it tangibly, it is automatically covered under copyright law. What is protected under copyright law? Music, art, novels, short stories, program codes for computer programs, website names, website information, and movies. What is not protected under copyright law? Thoughts, ideas, any and all facts ranging from science, mathematics, history. Anything that is considered common knowledge will not be covered under copyright law. Names are also covered under copyright law as well as public domain information. Fair use is the right of any person in the public to use another person's copyrighted materials. This definition is meant to be vague and applied on a case-by-case basis. Fair use is applied to how long and how much of material is used. Fair use allows teachers to be able to use tangible materials created by others within their lessons. It also allows critiques to be made of other people's materials. So if someone created a painting and someone else wanted to critique it, they would be able to show pieces of that painting in their critique. Public domain. All created materials reach public domain eventually. Copyright stays in effect from the moment of creation until 70 years after the death of the creator, unless the creator allows the work to be moved into the public domain. Most materials published before 1923 are now part of public domain. Public domain is different for each country, so you do have to check the applicable laws. The U.S. Copyright Act, Title 17 of the U.S. Code, was implemented in 1976. This legislation centers around fair use as we understand it today. Teacher use. Teachers can use copyright materials for educational purposes. Teachers must use these appropriately and teach their students appropriate usage. Districts are also responsible for any infractions made by their teachers. The final two slides of this presentation are a chart of the materials that teachers can use within their lessons. Each material, whether it's a video, a story or writing, a piece of art, each has its own portion, percentage, number of words, or piece of the material that a person is allowed to use freely within their own work. Many of the things I've read mentioned that when in doubt, ask. You're able to go on the copyright website for the government and find out how you can go about the process.